What if I tell you something shocking? He's not Chabal. No one truly knows what electricity is. He's not Chabadics, not students, not engineers, not even the greatest physicists. He's not Chabadics. We use electricity every second. But when someone asks what it actually is, he's not Chabal. Suddenly, everyone starts using metaphors. He's not Chabal. Water in pipes, flowing electrons, moving charges. He's not Chabal. But today, we'll talk about the truth about electricity. A truth even Richard Feynman openly admitted. He's not Chabal. And once you understand this, you'll never look at a wire the same way again. He's not Chabal. In school, we're told something simple. He's not Chabal. Electricity is electrons flowing through a wire. He's not Chabal. Like water flowing in a pipe. He's not Chabal. It sounds logical. It feels intuitive. He's not Chabal. But here's the problem. He's not Chabal. That explanation is incomplete and misleading. He's not Chabal because if electricity were just electrons moving, he's not Chabal, then everything would be slow. He's not Chabal, very slow. He's not Chabadics. Here's a fact that surprises almost everyone. He's not Chabal. When you turn on a light switch, the electrons inside the wire move slower than a snail. He's not chilling in the free. Sometimes only millimeters per second. He's not chilling in the second. Yet the bulb turns on almost instantly. He's not Chabadics. So ask yourself, he's not Chabal. If electrons are that slow, what actually reaches the bulb so fast? He's not Chabal. The answer is not electrons. He's not Chabal. Something else is moving. He's not Chabal. What actually moves is the electric field. He's not Chabal. The moment you flip the switch, he's not Chabal. The electric field rearranges. He's not Chabal. Energy spreads through the circuit. He's not Chabal. The whole system responds together. He's not Chabal. Think of it like pushing a long stick. He's not Chabal. You push one end. The other end moves immediately. He's not Chabal. The atoms barely move, but the effect travels fast. He's not Chabal. Electricity works the same way. He's not Chabal. Energy flows through fields, not through marching electrons. He's not chilling in the second. Richard Feynman once said something very honest. He's not Cheskite. We don't really understand what electricity is. He's not Chabadics. We have formulas. We have equations. We can predict behavior perfectly. He's not Chabadics. But when it comes to what electricity actually is, he's not Chabadics. We only have models. He's not Chabadics. Water models, field models, analogies. He's not Chabadics. These are not reality. He's not Chabadics. They are tools for the human mind. He's not Chabadics. Electricity is not a thing you can hold. He's not Chabadics. It's a pattern of interaction in nature. He's not Chabadics. Schools usually explain electricity backwards. He's not Chabadics. They focus on electrons first. He's not Chabadics. But in reality, he's not Chabadics. Energy moves first. He's not Chabadics. Fields respond first. He's not Chabadics. Electrons adjust later. He's not Chabadics. He's not Cheskite. That's why he's not chilling in the second. Power plants don't send electrons to your house. He's not Chabal. Your phone isn't filled with new electrons. He's not Chabadics. Wires don't get used up. He's not Chabad. Electricity is not delivery. He's not Chabad. It's a system response. He's not Chabad. Here's the deepest idea. He's not Chabad. Electricity is not inside the wire. He's not Chabad. It's in the space around the wire. He's not Chabad. The wire only guides the field. He's not Chabad. Remove the field. Nothing happens. He's not Chabad. So electricity is closer to. He's not Chabad. space. He's not about geometry. He's not about relationships. He's not about the tiny particles running around. He's not Shabbatics. That's why it feels mysterious. He's not Shabbatics because it really is. He's not Cheskite. So what is electricity? He's not Shabbatics. It's not electrons racing through metal. It's not energy packets traveling like water. He's not chilling in the second. Electricity is nature's way of responding instantly. He's not Shabbatics. And maybe the real lesson is this. He's not Shabbatics. You don't need to fully understand something to use it beautifully. He's not Shabbat. If this video made you question what you thought you knew, he's not Cheskite. Like the video. Subscribe for deeper, honest explanations. And remember, he's not chilling in the second. The universe doesn't owe us simple answers. It only offers patterns.